Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find parking on Google Maps. So if you also want to find parking on Google Maps, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Google Maps application. You can see over here Google Maps application has been opened. To find the parking on Google Maps, you can first of all search for the destination. For that, what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for the destination that you want to go. Now you'll be able to see several results over here. Simply tap on the location of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to view that location over here. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options like directions, save, share and more. All you have to do is tap on the directions option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll also have to choose the start location. Simply tap on the box of start location. Now type in the start location. Now you'll be able to see the direction over here. So finding the park on Google Maps is very simple. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options like preview, add stops and share. Simply tap on the second option, that is add stops. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to add the stops to your route. You'll be able to find the coffee shops, parks, gas stations, restaurants, grocery stores, etc. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now all you have to do is type in parking. Now simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the parking. If you want to add this stop to parking, simply tap on the option add stop. Like this, you'll be able to find the parking on Google Maps. So that is how you find parking on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.